Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, students, open page number 37 of your textbook. Page
Excuse me,
number
ma'am.
37. Yes.
Ma'am, I am outside, so I can't do the class.
But you have joined. No problem. You stay in the class for five till the day time, till the class gets over. Will you
Okay, ma'am.
able to? Okay. Just
Ma'am,
listen, and if you have any notebook or something, you can write.
ma'am, you can say we want to write in textbook. I leave. Some my network. I leave
Open page number 37.
in textbook, ma'am.
Textbook. So I'm going to present my screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I come in a minute?
My dear, I will start the class now. The page number 37 is about this. As I already told you, to draw the hands. Everyone done till here? Till this page number?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come down. Do you like sky watching? Do you like sky watching, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So you write yes. Then you will really like this. What is about the sky watching? So what do you see in the sky, students? What do you see in the sky?
Stars. Stars.
What is the
How does
related? Okay, what is the relation between looking at the sky and the
sunrise
time?
and sunset? Ma'am, sunrise and sunset.
So yes, very good. Then why are we discussing about the sunrise, sunset, stars, moon, sky, dark, light? Why we are discussing in the time? What is the relation of these things with the time? Tell me, any
Ma'am,
child will speak
because
on this. Hmm.
ma'am, Priya,
Yes, Priya.
because when the time goes on, the atmosphere of the earth changes. It is related to both because when the time goes goes, so
Hmm.
the clouds atmosphere, earth's atmosphere also changes.
Yes, and we relate with the time like when we see stars, moon. We have a mindset. These things we see in at night only.
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? And
In
we
the
see
night,
sun in the
yes,
morning only.
day.
So this is our mindset that these things
Please.
that is why the relay. Arnav, please mute your mic. That is why these things are related with the time. So I want to ask first this thing, simple question from your sun rises in the
Ma'am, morning. Ma'am, morning.
Early morning.
Morning, ma'am, early morning.
I'm asking which side, east,
Ma'am,
west,
morning.
north,
East.
south.
East.
And
East.
Sun rises in the.
East. East.
Ma'am asking which side, which direction it should rise.
East. Ma'am,
east.
east is
East.
Sun rises in the east and
east.
sun set in the
West. West.
west.
West. West.
Okay, mute yourself now. At what time does the sun rise at your place? See, children, the timing of rising sun is different in all the places. थोड़ा बहुत different होता ही है, right? When you go to the Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, these places, at that places sun rises early. But when you talk about Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, here the sun rises little late. So timing is different. It's not at the same time. When does the sun set? Is the sun timing for the sunset is always same?
5:50 or
No,
Is
ma'am.
always same?
and 5 o'clock or 7
No,
o'clock.
ma'am.
It
7 o'clock.
my dear, you cannot define this. It's always change. Every day when you see, if today it is sunset is that, for example, 6:30 or 7 o'clock, next day it will maybe 5-10 minutes difference. Got it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, maybe in some places, some like Palampur Patia to Randet Road, like Lakshmi Marg, maybe their sunrise is early or
No. In one Gujarat, it is not much difference.
okay.
But in state to state, if you go change from Gujarat to another state, then maybe difference.
Okay.
Ma'am, I go to washroom.
Yes,
So
please
time
go.
is, so we have this is so we have to see our time. We have to see the clock and we have to
Yeah.
write how the
At what time the sun rises, at what
yes,
time the sun
sunrises
sets.
and sunsets.
Yeah. And you can ask from your parents also, discuss with them also. Okay. And when there are summers, right? When all the seasons, summer season, winter season, in summer seasons also, the sun set little late compared to the winter season. विंटर सीजन में रात जल्दी हो जाती है, आपने सुना होगा ना, मम्मा कहती है रात बहुत जल्दी हो गई. Why? Because the sun sets early. 5:30-6 o'clock के आसपास आप सनसेट होना देख लोगे इन विंटर्स. एंड इन समर्स 7 o'clock तक सनसेट नहीं होता. Yes or no?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
depends on the
And
seasons
in
also.
winter, mom says that it's small days in winter.
Yes, small days in winter because days are small and the nights are longer. How nights are longer? क्योंकि 5:30 बजे अंधेरा हो गया और नेक्स्ट डे सुबह 6 बजे वापस से उजाला होगा, तो 12 hours से भी ज्यादा you can see there are nights, right? Yes or no? So in
Yes.
winters we can say the days are shorter and the nights are longer. Opposite of this in the summer season, days
In
are
in
longer.
the summer, the days are the longer and the nights are short.
Very good. Now go to the next page. And daily changes आपको अगर देखना है टाइमिंग में, तो ये सब न्यूज़पेपर में आता है कि टुडे एट व्हाट टाइम द सनराइज एंड द व्हाट टाइम द सनसेट, यू कैन सी. एंड डिफरेंट मंथ्स में डिफरेंट टाइमिंग्स होता है. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? एज आई एक्सप्लेन, विंटर सीजन, समर सीजन अकॉर्डिंग टू द मंथ्स आता है. 3 months to 4 months winter season
Yes,
chalega. 3 to 4 months your summer season will go. So you can check the newspaper and monthly when you check, you can see the sunrises and sunset timings in that. आपको सुबह न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना, उसमें सनराइज सनसेट टाइमिंग होगा कि आज इतने बजे
ma'am.
सूरज निकलने वाला है और इतने बजे सूरज सन सेट होने वाला है. Got it? Now come
it,
this.
ma'am.
Turn the page, come to the next page. You can see here is one picture which is not in my PPT, but I will explain you, which is in your textbooks.
Ma'am,
Which
it's
picture
a
is-
Eiffel Tower
Eiffel Tower. Where is Eiffel Tower?
in France. Ma'am, it is.
France.
Yes. Ma'am, it is in France,
Yes.
Paris.
France,
Paris.
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 Yes.
Ma'am, I have been there.
Very good. Excellent. So how's your experience there?
Ma'am, I haven't.
No, Rishik is telling how was your experience there? You enjoyed there?
Yes.
So have you observed something about the timing, sunrises, sunset, dark कब होता है? Have you observed that something there?
Ma'am, I have observed that sunset.
Okay. You, Rishik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now see here, it is written here in Paris, the sun sets after 9 p.m. at night during the summers. If anybody visit there, like Rishik is telling, Varanya is telling, must be maybe they have this experience that sunset after 9 means 9 o'clock तक वहां उजाला रहता है, रोशनी रहती है, उसके बाद ही सनसेट होता है at night in summer season. But this photo was taken at night, but in winter it becomes dark here by 4 p.m. जब winter season होता है तो 4 बजे से ही रात, इवनिंग में 4 o'clock से ही नाइट होना डार्क हो गया, मीन्स वी कैन अज्यूम नाउ नाइट होना शुरू हो गई. यस और नो?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
lot of difference in winter season and summer season. In winter season, the dark starts from 4 p.m. and in summer season, it starts from 9 p.m. So this changes you can see in your state also. If you're not able to go there, France में नहीं जा पाते हो, तो आप ये changes अपने state में भी देख सकते हो. Yes, students? Okay. Now, next, find how long will it take the minute hand to move from. Wait.
Excuse
Now,
me, ma'am.
yes.
Sometimes we say that Sandhya khili hai. Well, it means to just everything just be orange in the color.
Yes.
That is so beautiful.
Very nice. Means you have you got the experience of that, right?
Ma'am, at my home only.
Good.
Ma'am,
Now-
I also at my home only experienced this.
So now on the page number 38, how long will it take the minute hand to move from? There, in each case, there are how many clocks are there drawn for you? In each case, when you look into a textbook on page number 38, Varinya,
Two clocks are drawn for us.
yeah, there are 2 clocks in each case. Okay. Now they are saying that if you observe the minute hand and the second hand, you can see there is a changes maybe in the minute hand or maybe in the hour hand. So now I'll show you here. See, when you see these 2 clocks, yes or no, students? So what do you observe? The minute hand has been changed or the hour hand has been changed?
The minute hand has been changed.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
So if you
our
see,
hand.
our hand is in between 3 and 4 here, and here also it is coming little closer to 4. But when you see the minute hand, it is on 7 in the first case. Mute yourself, please. Someone mic is on. Rishik, please mute yourself. In first case, the minute hand is on 7, and next one minute hand is on 10. So how many minutes we can say the minute hand has changed?
15 minutes, ma'am.
So very good. Write in the blank 15 minutes. Because you know the gap between each number is of 5 minutes. And when you count from 7 to 8 is one number, 8 to 9 is next number, and 9 to 10 is third number. Means the gap between from 7 to 10 when the minute hand is coming is of 15 minutes. So please write 15 minutes in the blank. And what
Excuse me,
time the
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I am to the doctor, so I can leave.
Yes, please.
Okay,
And please
ma'am.
send me the mail if you want the recording. In any case, if you missed out anything, please send me the mail.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Children, let me take the attendance. Okay. So when we see the first clock in the first case in the A1, we can see the timing. What time it is showing? First clock? 3?
3 o'clock 35.
3:35. 3 o'clock, no, we will say 3:35. And the another clock is saying 3:50.
3:50.
So the gap between is 15 minutes. Yes. And how you will find this 15 minutes? Here to aapko clock dekh raha hai, so you can easily find out the gap. But sometime only the time is given to you. Okay. For example, sometime if I tell you in one clock, the time is 6:30. And in the another clock, the time is 6:45. What is the gap between these? How much time it is raised? Suppose one activity I started at 6:30 and I am finishing it at 6:45. So how much time I have taken to finish this activity?
15 minutes.
Ma'am,
15 minutes. How you find out? Because 6:30 and 6:45, there is a gap between 15 minutes. And this you can find out by minus subtracting also. Write 6:45, write 6:30 below it. When you subtract it, 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So the 15 is coming in the minute side. So 15 minutes. You can do directly also, you can do by subtraction also. Okay. Suppose, for example, I have started one activity. For example, I am going to play with my friends at 5. At 5:45, I am going to play with my friends, and I am coming back at 7 o'clock. So, how much time I have taken to play with my friends? How you will find out? You write now. Which number is bigger? 5:45 is bigger or 7?
7.
So you will write 7 first. Dots 005 dots 45 and subtract it and find 10 minus 5 is 5.
And
This
7
will become 9. 9 minus 4 is
5. 5.
and this will become 6 minus 5 is
1.
1.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Yes.
help me?
Wait a minute.
1 hour.
I was thinking something 6:45. 6:45 when you subtract this. 5:45, sorry. Something 1:15 should come. Yes, you will write here as the 60 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because nothing is there, you will write it at 60. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So it is 1 hour 15 minutes. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And this will go wait. This will go 6 hours 60 minutes. It's 7 o'clock. Now, if I tell you, if you're doing any activity, for example, now we see the next clock. My presentation, I think, not visible. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. It is not.
Wait a minute. I'll present. Wait a minute. I'll present.
Excuse me, Renu, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes. Tell me. Now you can go to the next clock. Okay. Go to the B sum. What is there on the B? How much time it is showing? Please tell me the answer, student.
Ma'am, 6, 5 and 6.
No, this is C1. I'm asking B1. This one.
Oh, 3:40. 4 o'clock.
3. So how many minutes?
20 minutes.
Yes, 20 minutes. Very good. Go to the next clock. Third one. From 7.
This is the D1. Ma'am, it's
Yeah.
D1.
Yes. This one now. From 6.
5 and 6:15. 10
How many
minutes.
minutes? Yeah. 10 minutes. Yes.
10 minutes.
Now come the next. 7:10. And from 7:10 to 7:45. How many minutes? 10, 5, 10. How many minutes gap? No, 45. No,
35, ma'am. 35.
35. Yes. Turn the next page. Draw. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Mute yourself, please. Next page. Draw where the hands will be. Suppose now it is showing 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So I will ask from Laisha. Laisha,
Yes,
after, so when you draw the hands in this clock,
ma'am.
I
May
have
I go
given
to
no that.
washroom?
Yes, please go. I have given that day also the worksheet, no, based on this to draw the
Yes.
hands in the given time. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if I say so after 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand?
The short hand will be between 6 and 7, and the long hand will be on 20, on 4.
Very good. So you can see you exactly it will not come in between. वो थोड़ा सा slightly 6 o'clock से हिलता है हल्का सा one minute खसकता है. I'll show you here. It will only shift 1 minute after the 6 if you observe. It is not in between exactly. You cannot say it is
But it's
exactly.
little bit side of the.
But yes, yes. Can you see here the timing? 6:40. So please
Yes.
draw the hands according to the time given in your textbook. Start drawing. Next is 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. So Ahana, where I'm doing C1. I'm asking C1 from you. Ahana, you tell me the C1. 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. Where will be the shorthand?
10 minutes after 7 o'clock.
Faster.
The shorter hand will be on. Uh,
Shorthand will be on
between 1 and 2, and the longer hand will be on 7.
Ahana, I'm asking, mute yourself first. I'm asking if the time is 7:10, where will be the shorthand? First, tell me the shorthand.
The short hand will be on 2, and the longer hand.
Shorthand will always tell the hours. Hours means it is 7:10. 7 number जो first है वो hours को denote कर रहा है. And shorthand always show the hours. तो यहाँ देखो now where will be the shorthand? I want to show the 7:10. Shorthand will be on 7. मैंने 7:10 बोला तो first number जो बोला that is your hours. हम पहले हमेशा hours लिखते हैं then we write the minutes. So 10 is the minutes. 10 is the minute and the minute hand is the long hand. And the 7 is the hours. And the hour hand is the short hand. So hour hand will be on 7 and the minute hand will be on 2. Yes or no, Ahana? Start practicing about time.
Ma'am, you are stuck before time.
Now, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 25 minutes after 8. Where will be the shorthand? 25 minutes after 8. बुक में नहीं है, मैं अपना बोल रही हूँ. बुक में नहीं है. You give me the answer. It is not in your textbook. 25 minutes after 8. Here I am asking from you and Ahana, mute your mic please. Yes, here.
Ma'am, it will come on 5.
Which hand will come on 5?
The minute hand.
And the hour hand will be on?
8.
Very good. The hour hand will be on 8 and the minute hand will be on 5. Can you check this? Yes. Now you do the textbook one. 30 minutes after 8. Hit Kasodia.
Yes, ma'am.
Hit. Where will be the shorthand?
Ma'am, a shorthand will be in between 9 and 8.
It will be exactly in between 9 and 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Just check. Between नहीं होगा, slightly move होगा towards the 9. Only 2 lines.
Ma'am, but 30 minutes and late.
Yeah.
No?
And where will be the long hand?
Ma'am, in 6.
On 6. Yes. 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. Varanya. 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. Where is the shorthand and where will be the long hand? Meet, Prohit, you tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Varanya is gone to washroom.
Okay, Meet, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
15 minutes after 5 o'clock.
After 5 o'clock.
15 minutes after 5 o'clock. तो कहाँ पर long hand होगा and where will be the short hand?
And the long hand will be at 3. And the short hand will be at 5.
3. Long hand will be at 3 and the short hand will be at
5.
yes. Next, this way you will draw the hands. How long is your lunch break? Children, usually the lunch break is till what time if you were going early in the schools when schools were open. So at that time, what is the time interval of yours? Break कितनी देर का आता था? Can anyone tell me? You get the lunch break.
Half
Yes,
an hour,
please.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
at 1 o'clock.
No. Gap of this, no? कितनी देर का? Like for example,
Half an hour.
30 minutes, half an hour you can
Yes,
write.
yes.
30 minutes you can write. How long is your lunch break? How long is your games period? Children, please write how long is your games period?
45
1 hour.
minutes, ma'am.
Yes, 45 minutes. Around 45 minutes or 1 hour. जितने भी देर का है, ये answer may differ from school to school. Is it the same as all the other periods? Your games periods and the time of your game period and the time of yours regular periods is the same?
No.
If it is
They
same,
are
you can write
different.
yes. See, in some schools they keep all the periods of the same interval. 45 minutes, 45 minutes के रखते हैं. In some school they keep the sports period or the games period time longer compared to the other periods. So it depends to school to school. If I am writing, I write in my school days, the all periods were same. So I write same. But if in your school the periods interval is different, you write no. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
The games period and the lunch break seems very short, aren't they? What do you think? According to this, aren't they the short? Or if you want to give any suggestions why they want to be long and why, any suggestions you want to give? Games period, why to keep the longer games period and why to keep the break period longer? Any suggestions, students? Yes, sir.
Ma'am, of games.
Yeah.
Like
So we have to
football
keep the time more or we need to keep the time shorter? We can
more, ma'am.
more.
Because
Okay.
when we play cricket or football, we get exercise that we do not exercise at our home regularly. But in school, sports we exercise it regularly because the sports period is every time.
Oh, very
The
good.
sports are different.
Yes. So you need that, you giving the suggestions that sports periods to be a little longer compared to the other periods. Yes. Because first you exercise, first you warm up yourself and then you start. So for that you need the more time. Yes. These are the just suggestions we are taking. Very good that you are building your mind and exercising. Yes,
Excuse me,
Varinya. Yes, Varinya.
ma'am. My mama is listened all the suggestions and she tell that the kids are small right now, so
Mhm.
they can't also complete the classwork in such time, and
Mhm.
the class teachers also gave homework.
Mhm.
So it is a difficult for kids to do
Mhm.
all that work.
Yes, so these are the suggestions you are giving. Very good,
Yes,
very good. So it depend. We are learning about the time, so it depend on the timings. That's why you giving the suggestions. Very good that you are, it means really understanding what is going on, right? Okay, I'll send the worksheet based on the concept that you need to count the timings. What is the gap between the two clocks, and you will do it today. Thank you, students, for today's class.
thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Ma'am,
bye.
ma'am, draw